Assalamualaikum students of class 8. I hope you're all doing well. Students, welcome to another holidays homework related lecture of SST. Today we are going to do page number 6 and 7. These are the last two pages of your homework. I hope your school will start on from Monday onwards. So we'll meet in class then. So let us open page number 6. Let me guide you about the short questions that have been given on this page. These questions are related to chapter number 1, the universe. Okay, the first question is, who decided that Pluto would no longer be called a planet and why? So the answer of this can be found very easily from page number 3, the info box, that the International Astronomical Union decided that Pluto, since it does not meet all the conditions of being a planet, then it would no longer be called a planet of our solar system. So this is the answer of this question. How does a rocket break away from the gravity of the Earth into the space? So you can find out the answer of this from page number 2, info box. A rocket, as I told you in the class, that a rocket has to take several circuits around the Earth to gather enough speed to break away from the gravity of the Earth and go into space. Then come to the third question: is there water on the moon? So this is the answer of this can be found from page number 4, info box, that there is some water found on the moon in form of pockets of ice. Okay. Now come to the next question. What is the shape of the orbits? You can find the answer of this question from the second paragraph on page number 3, that the shape of the orbits of the planets and the moons is not circular, it is elliptical or it is oval in shape. Okay, now come to the next question. What do you know about the solar eclipse? You have to write down the definition of solar eclipse in this question. So, and that the solar eclipse is caused when a moon comes in between the earth and the sun and blocking out the light of the sun. Now come to the next question. What causes extreme temperature on different planets of the solar system? We did this question as a part of the comprehension questions. Do you remember? So you have to write the basic 2 points, that what causes extreme temperature on different planets, the speed of the planet's rotation and distance of planet from the sun causes extreme temperature on the planets. Then the last question, write the water and oxygen related facts about Mars. So you can find the answer of this question on page number 3 in front of the picture of Saturn, the second last paragraph, the water and oxygen related facts about Mars. So let me read them about for you. There are small amount of oxygen in the atmosphere of Mars and water in form of ice under the surface of under the surface of Mars. Okay, Ji, we have completed this page number 6. Now come to the page number 7. That is the last page of your holidays pack. Write the names of the following political personalities related to the freedom movement. You all know these personalities very well. We've also learned about them in class 7 in your Leading the Freedom Movement chapter. So the first personality is Allama Muhammad Iqbal. The second one is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. This third one is Jawaharlal Nehru, and the last one is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. So that is all for today. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.